your hat is as carved as frozen. Pardon me. Drink this all at the same time because it's black. You wonder if it doesn't as you guys go. But once you see it, right about here. Welcome to Easy with Ethan. I'm Ethan and you're Easy. So if you want to look around yourself, this is a 360 video.
Use ASWD on your keyboard, or if you're on your phone, just swivel it around.
And we are in Central Park in Manhattan. And this is a lake we found.
After the blizzard.
Yeah.
If you notice, there's a lot of snow on the ground.
Jonas hit us pretty hard, and it was super fun. So enjoy the look.
Take a look around.
I'm gonna sit down.
Hey, if you want to see a 360 video of the blizzard, check this out.
Entonces le dijo al otro que fue cómo tenía que hacer para hacer eso.
Theater? There's a theater? Let me show you. Is it far?